Now, a lot of people have at least 20 USDT available in their wallet, and they don't literally know how they can use the 20 USDT to earn some little amount of money on the internet. Now, here's my Solana right here, and this my Solana is 20 USDT. So within a few days, I have traded with this particular Solana worth of $20, and then I have literally accumulated this particular amount right here, making it 28 USDT available on my Solana right here. So let me refresh everything right here so that you guys can really see, yes, it is real right here. Now I will literally show you everything step by step on how you can do all these. It's very simple. It's just for you to navigate some particular cryptocurrency, just like all the cryptocurrency available right here. Spot a particular crypto token that is selling on the lower price and sell it, then selling it at higher price. So that is what people literally call it arbitrage. So now I will literally show you how to do crypto arbitrage in this particular tutorial right here. All you just have to do, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel and make sure you like this specific video. It's very important for you to hit that subscribe button right here, just for you to make sure you help the channel to grow. Now stay tuned to this particular video to the end. All you just have to do, go ahead and look for this particular crypto exchanger right here, which is this particular one right here. It is on Google Play Store right there. So all you just have to do right here, just make sure you sign up an account right here, get your account verified right here. So fund your account with USDT right here. You can just fund it with 20 USDT right now. You can fund it with any particular crypto of your choice. So come straight to this particular place where it says trade. Go ahead and search for this particular token where it says PLZ. Okay, search for it in this particular place right here, PLZ. So take a look at it, go ahead and purchase it with your USDT. Let me say you're using 20 USDT for this. You'll be getting this one right here, which is this particular amount right now. So go ahead and click on accept right here. Withdraw this particular token straight to the other cryptocurrency exchanger that we literally mention right here on this particular video right now. So just wait, exercise some patience so that you can understand everything in deep. So go ahead and search for the particular crypto right here. Go ahead and click on blockchain address in this particular place right now. So go ahead and check the wallet address. Make sure the wallet address is actually the same wallet address that literally want to withdraw to. Now take a look at the smart contract at the downside, which says contract info right there. Okay, so now head over to this particular cryptocurrency exchanger right here, which is MEXZ, which is this one. It's also on Google Play Store. Go ahead and download it right there. Now go ahead and click on trade right here. But before you go ahead and click on trade right now, make sure you get your account verified just as normal. Just make sure you get your account verified, because I don't literally want story that touches the art at the end of the day. Make sure your account is verified right now. So click on trade, search for the same crypto right here. Go ahead and click on wallet right now. Then go ahead and click on deposit. Go ahead and click on chain deposit right here. Then go ahead and search for the particular token right now. So make sure it is on the same Ethereum right here. Here is the particular cryptocurrency for depositing. Go ahead and copy this particular crypto wallet. Go ahead to this particular place, paste it right here, and then go ahead and withdraw all the particular FLZ token right here. And at the end of the day, you just have the full opportunity to literally go ahead and click on withdraw right here so that you can receive the money right here on your MEXZ right now. So all you just have to do, just to go ahead and click on trade after you have received the money right here on your MEXZ within some few hours. Go ahead and click on sell, then just go ahead and select all the particular crypto to USDT right here. So now take a look at this right here. With your 20 USDT, you'll be getting 0.37 USDT. So if you do this 2 to 3 times to 4 times a day, you'll be getting enough money with just your 20 USDT initial capital. Okay, so that is that for this particular tutorial purpose. Now that you have sell everything straight to USDT right here, now you just have to go ahead and repeat this process. So that is arbitrage for you. I will try to see you in my next video. Make sure you like this specific video, share this video to your loved ones, it's very important, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, help the channel grow. So if you are wondering how I actually get all this particular cryptocurrency updates, just go ahead and head over to arbitrage scanner. So check my previous video. I've drawn a video concerning arbitrage scanner, and in this particular video, you just have to go ahead and check the video description. Head over to this particular arbitrage scanner right here. So just go ahead and sign up an account, and make sure you literally click on this particular place right here. Then just go ahead and go for any plan of your choice right here. Okay, so just go for any plan of your choice right now. Go for it, and then you have the full opportunity to literally go ahead and spot cryptocurrency just by clicking on arbitrage products right here. Okay, so take a look at it, then click on arbitrage screener. Okay, so you see right now all the cryptocurrency arbitrage will display right here. All those one right now, they are stable coin. So if you want to change this, click on template, then go ahead and click on top 30 or top 300 coins right here. You will see right now all the particular cryptocurrency in all the particular crypto exchanger will be available. So if you want everything to be reloading or to be searching for any opportunity in every 30 seconds, you can leave it here. So every 15 seconds, you can also leave it there. So now every 10 seconds also, you can also leave it at the 10 seconds. So this way you can actually change the time duration right here. Take a look at it right now. A lot of cryptocurrency are available right here using that particular arbitrage scanner right now. So if you literally go ahead and buy any plan right there, you have the full opportunity to literally discover any cryptocurrency that have price indifferences in two cryptocurrency exchanger. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video right here. Bye bye for now.